Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to look at the key players, the people in the organization and their job or roles in the financial arena. Let us look at the board of the directors. A board of directors is a body of elected or appointed members, and they jointly oversee the activities of a company or an organization. They use financial data to determine how well the organization is doing and hold leaders accountable for meeting budgets and other obligations. A board's activities are determined by the powers, duties, and responsibilities delegated to it or conferred on it by an authority outside itself. These matters are typically detailed in the organization's bylaws. The board is responsible for the governing of the organization by establishing broad policies and objectives. They also select and appoint the chief executive officer and review his or her performance. They are responsible to ensure the availability of the financial resources. They approve the budgets and are also responsible to other stakeholders for the company's performance.